The 2025 Nobel Prize for Medicine or Physiology has been awarded to three researchers collectively. These are Mary E. Brunkow, Fred Ramsdell, and along with that, Shimon, Sakaguchi are the three people who were collectively awarded the Nobel Prize for Medicine. And this prize has been in recognition to their path-breaking research into immunology. We know very well that human immunity is in fact our body's own capability to fight disease and alien organisms that enter into our body. And we know that this responsibility is typically for the white blood cells, in which there are many types, of which T cells are one important cells which act as the policemen of human body. But the same T cells, the same immune response mechanism of human body never attacks its own tissues. The immune mechanism has a very intelligent way of determining which cells are to be attacked and which cells have to be spared. This self-non-self discrimination which is present for the white blood cells and T cells is something on which these people have conducted research. In fact, some of the T cells, when they are produced, they try to attack one's own body, and some of them are eliminated in the thymus where they are produced. But some of the T cells also have this capability which is called as peripheral mechanisms preventing the T cells from attacking one's own body. And this peripheral mechanism is what is called as Tregs or T cell regulators. And these are primarily because of a specific gene which is called as FOXP3 gene. This gene has been identified by Shimon Sakaguchi, and its functioning and its absence leading to autoimmune diseases has been identified by Brunkow and Ramsdell. In fact, this is very, very important breakthrough, primarily because human immune system, sometimes it has to be manipulated in order to, in fact, treat some diseases. We know that there are some diseases which are called as autoimmune diseases, where one's own T cells keep attacking one's own body. That's the reason why there is a need for correcting it. So a proper gene therapy is going to help us in solving these autoimmune diseases. Then over and above this, we also know that in some cases, sometimes transplantation of body organs is usually done. Transplanted body organ is definitely an alien organ into the body. So definitely the T cells are going to attack them, because of which reason usually the transplant patients take a lot many immune suppressant pills. But the T cell therapy and the T cell reorientation is going to help us in treating the transplant patients without any immunosuppressants. Then similarly, these T cell regulators also in fact discriminate between the fetus in a female body, because we know that the fetus in a female body is definitely an alien organism, but the body doesn't attack the fetus primarily because of these T cell regulators. The T cell regulators are in fact the commanders which in fact give direction to the T cells with respect to which are one's own cells and which are other cells. And similarly, we can also train up this T cells very well, primarily because in treatment of cancer also, immunotherapy is a path-breaking therapy, wherein the body's own immune system can be made to attack the cancer cells and eliminate them without any external intervention. And definitely this research is going to pave the way for development of these kind of medical strategies. That is the reason why, these three scientists have been given the Nobel Prize for Medicine, and it is a much deserving Nobel. Thank you.